Quick video showing how I clean my brake carrier bobbins. My little, these are supposed to be floating, but when they get really gunked up and covered in winter shit up from the road, they don't move. So you end up with a horrible pulsing through the brakes. So it's a reasonably quick job. You got to spin each one of these up and clean them. So I'm going to struggle to video this with my phone, but I'll show you what I've got. I've got this little dude that I put in from behind, tighten up, spin round while I'm cleaning with brake cleaner. Some people say they lube these. I would never do that, because the only way that lube has to escape from there when it's spinning is outwards onto this face here, and I would never want lube on my brakes, so I will never put lube on the bobbins. I will clean them, and you can clean them with I just use brake clean, it's cheap enough. So anyway, let's see whether I can get this set up well enough to capture this. I'll just run through it real quick. Put an adjustable nut fucker on the back. Okay. Now, just those few turns has managed to capture or bring out lots of gunk at the top there. So it's spinning the bobbin. So normally with two-handed I'd clean all that up, spray it, spin it around a few more times. Okay. I just need to put the okay, then I've got this as well. Put it in through there. You get a little bit of leverage here. Tighten it up. Just check it's moving. Check it's nice and clean. Yeah, that's good. And then move on to the next one. You'll do it on all of them. So that's my number 6 today. On to 7. I think, yeah, there is an even number, and there's 7. So this is my last one for this side of the wheel today. And then once I've done it, I'll just give my brakes a nice clean all over. Let's, little ratchet tool. They're not overly expensive. Quite a nice thing to have in the garage. Yep. Cool. All right. So that's that whole side done. I've been giving it a good. Yeah, probably need to clean all my vents out as well. I've got lots and lots of brake dust in there. Okay, and the last part of cleaning these up today.